up, y'all? It's your boy G Tap from Inked and Laced. Here with my little princess. Say hi. Say hi. And it's the queen's birthday. She's 25. The little man, the little prince is at school right now. I'm treating her today, getting her Tim Hortons breakfast. Yeah, see? Going to my buddy Jason's house where I stored the Mustang for the winter time. He's putting exhaust on it. Wish I could have done it, but I can't, so he's being helpful and said he'll do it for me because he knows all the issues I've been going through. So he's being real nice, good friend. So hopefully it gets finished today because tomorrow I got an oil change and then it'll be ready for the spring, summertime. So check in with y'all later. Peace. Old exhaust, new X pipe, GT exhaust with Jason right there. Oh shit, I forgot my stool.
No, there's a little bit loose on that one. That one's still too tight. Got a little kinks.
Yeah, see, it's not even. So that one's actually tight, right?
Felt good on the car. My plant should be clamp-made.
Yeah. But can't you squeeze it in a bit?
Well, let's see if we can.
You don't have to put the rubber rings on that? Those rings you had, you don't have to put those around that?
They got one already.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that. Too big? This is big coming back out.
Are you ready?
There you go. That's so sweet. What is this, a 79 or 81? 70Z, little go-kart, Stealth over there, Rider, my Mustang, Jimmy's Cobalt, Jason's Camaro, Chev truck, Audi, Ego Talent, Impala, Cutlass, 2 CRXs in the back barn with a bike, another Audi, got the 1500 in the shop, bike over there. Not sure what's in there.